We're at the Omaha-Douglas County Civic Center building in Nebraska. These are something modernized by O'Keefe. These two look like service cars because they have separate calls with scanners on them. Oh, what? I've never heard that from this before. You coming up? No problem. What floor?
11. Level.
Take care. Guess this is the city planning floor.
Level. Going down.
Interesting voice. I've never heard that before. Before we go down, there's the view outside. Interesting voice on this.
Eighth level. Going down.
Just getting a project.
Farnham level.
Take care.
Going down.
Interesting. It actually, I think this might be a custom voice.
B level. Employee parking.
Let's see what LC is. Oh, going up?
Yeah.
I'm just getting a project video of
Oh.
laters.
Hardy level. Going up.
Steve still there?
No, he's at 77.
Oh, really?
He's,
Oh, I'm
Hey.
sorry.
yeah, he's gone. We got Blankenship,
Okay.
Dylan, awesome,
Yeah.
cool.
Legislative chambers. Going up.
I guess this is like a, it's like a little area we can do out here.